Understanding, it's a minor glitch. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in everyday conversations and technical discussions. It's a minor glitch. By understanding this phrase, you'll not only enhance your English vocabulary but also grasp how to use it effectively in various contexts. Let's decode this together and make your English language journey a bit smoother. It's a minor glitch. This phrase combines two key words, minor and glitch. Let's break them down. Minor refers to something small, of lesser importance, or not very significant. It's the opposite of major, which means something big or very important. Glitch is a term often used to describe a small problem or fault that prevents something from working well. It's commonly used in the context of technology, like computers or software, but it can also apply to minor setbacks in plans or activities. So, when someone says, "It's a minor glitch," they mean that there's a small problem or hiccup, but it's not a major concern and can likely be fixed easily or might not significantly impact the overall situation. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to use it in real-life situations. Here are a few examples. 1. Technology. The app crashed, but don't worry, it's a minor glitch. We'll have it up and running again in no time. 2. Work projects. We've hit a minor glitch with the project timeline, but it's nothing we can't handle by the end of the week. 3. Daily life. There was a minor glitch in our dinner plans because the restaurant is full, but we found another great place nearby. These examples show that the phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios, from technology to work and everyday life, emphasizing the non-critical nature of an issue. The meaning of "it's a minor glitch" can slightly change depending on the context. It's crucial to listen to or observe the situation closely to understand whether the glitch is truly minor or if the speaker is downplaying a larger issue. This sensitivity to context will not only help you comprehend the situation better but also improve your response or reaction. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "It's a minor glitch." We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, usage, and nuances of this commonly used phrase in English. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the small details that make up everyday conversations. Keep learning, and don't let any minor glitches in your language learning journey hold you back. See you in the next video.